Ezzy, Pezzy, Lemon, Chezzy. If you received a card that looks like this, or like this, then you have come to the right place. Okay, so Cub, do you want to learn how to play dropship? Okay, so I think this is a good spot for a base. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna build the base. So just, you know, watch and learn. Get out of my face. Did they knock you back like a million feet? Okay, so this is the floor of our amazing base. Alright, I like it, as long as it's not bothering me. Okay, now you freak. Look at this, it's our magnificent base. Look at that, that's the door. Cub, you freak. Okay, well the base is complete. And now okay. Alright, Cub, come here, we need an RPS.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Wait, so what do I need to do?
You get to pick. Do you wanna be in the shelter or be the dropship?
I wanna be in the shelter.
Oh wow, okay. Oh my gosh, are you serious? How? I hit markered him. What? Wow. Oh yes, dude. I could. That's why I made window ceiling so I can see you, and then I just. Oh my freaking. here's the rule, Cub. You are not allowed to spawn any of them unless you're spawning them on the dropship. Yes. Oh my. Yeah, that's the problem I had. Oh gosh, there's one right here. Oh crap, I have 70 health. This isn't fair. Okay, because I had 70 health because I was like doing the thing. I was spawning there and it does damage when you spawn them up there because it's like pushes you and stuff. Oh god. Hey, you can't leave the dropship. That's so... Oh my gosh. But... Oh gosh, there's one right there! Ha! Oh. That did 26 damage. No, you're just bad. Oh gosh! There's one in here! There's two! There's three! Bro, if you can ignite these three, then I'm dead. But I don't actually think it can ignite through the wall. Like if there's one like right outside there. Oh. Oh no, I'm dead. Oh, I'm dead. That didn't do any damage to me. I'm still at 74 health. Oh gosh. But can they fall through there? Alright, whatever. Well, I mean, now I'm dropshipping again. No, I was running around in there. Okay. So, are you ready? Oh my gosh! Look at this streak. Yes! That still counts! That still counts! I never said, Cub, never did I say that I couldn't die. Okay, Cub, go! Are you fracking serious, Cub? You are a subscriber, Noah. Oh gosh. Okay, guys, I walked away. So apparently. Oh. Oh. God. Oh, no, run. What? Oh, no, come on. I didn't take any damage from that. Get wrecked. How did I not die? They didn't do anything. Oh gosh. Cub, you're welcome. I just did like 35 damage to myself. Cub, I just shot a barrel and did 35 damage to myself. Hey, what are you doing? Okay, well, I'm still going, because you're vehicle. Oh my gosh.
That was so weird. Cub, shoot one.
I can see that. Oh god, no! No, 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 no!
No, he's taking
I'm at full health!
it. He didn't take anything.
Because he cheated and came in here to actually kill me. And I did damage myself before. Take a free, take a free, take a free. Eat some tea. I can just shoot. Oh god. We should have made the whole base out of windows. Oh, you got an achievement? Are you fracking serious? Oh, that might. Raw! I am at full health. Take a free, take a free, take a free. Take a minute. I took 15 damage, Cub. I took 15 damage, Cub. I'm at 85 health. Oh god. Woo. So laggy. Oh gosh! How? You shoot them so that they don't actually. Oh god! No, 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 no! How? Okay, I should just have to stay here. Hey, you can't spawn them here. You have to spawn them at the dropship. Come spawn them at the thing. There you go. I don't know. Oh my gosh, if I can get an air shot. No! Okay, so they can fit through there. No. No! Oh god! No, I'm dead! It launched me up to the thing! How the Alright, you ready? Ow! What? Hold on, where? Oh, okay, I think I can. I'm gonna shoot it right now. Are you? Another one bites the dust. Yes! There's like 6 of them in there! Dude, 6 of them blew up right next to you! How? It
There's still none in here.
What? Yes. Oh, yeah? Hey, go by the fracking door, I dare you. You spawn the freak. Oh, come on. There's like 4. I got 2 hit markers, Cub. Are you fracking serious? Frick, I fell off. I got pushed off by barrels. Huh? 90. 85. Hey, you can't try to frackin' snipe me, you freak. That's matter. Alright, I flew the dropship over. What the heck are you doing? Ah, genius. Oh, I saw that hit marker. No, you freak!
Yes, you can't shoot it. If there's one thing because it's right across
Are you serious? Bro, I nailed you. You have 60 or 16? Oh. Are you? Go! Yeah, you. Oh gosh. So I'm looking down at this, right? Hey, Cub, you were standing right here. There was a barrel, like, right here. And so I just crossbowed the barrel. What the frick? Oh my freak! You know what? Banana. Watch the video after and wait for when I say banana. Oh god. Oh, my frat could have killed him. Let's look at this guy. What is he doing? Alright. Shoot the edge of where it sticks off. Oh crap, there's no parts of sticking off. What's he gonna fracking do? You spawned a fracking lamppost. Or a telephone line, I mean. Oh, banana. Oh, man. What? Come, you're holding it off the edge, and I'm sniping it. Oh my. Oh my. What is this? I should have taken so much damage there. But I love how I didn't. What the? Oh my god. Okay, well now you killed. You died 3 times. You died 3 times and then I died. Oh my god! How did that even happen? What? And then I knocked you off so that you died of then you had a million things so then you died to them. And then I died to a barrel that got in. Okay, Cub, get in the shelter. Get in the shelter! No! Hey, you freak! I never sniped you, I only sniped the barrel that you used. Oh yeah, I'm low, alright. Wait, no. What? Cause I spawned more, you frack? Yeah, I never said you had to. Wait, no. What was it? Oh yeah. Spawn more barrels. Of course. Ah! It pushed me off. Oh my, no, it didn't push me off. You fizz gun the fracking dropship. Free it.
I have 20 health for the barrels.
are you doing? You fizz gunned the fracking dropship. Are you serious? Wait, you actually have 4 health. Wow. And I couldn't even fizz gun it. Cub, if you would have waited a millisecond, I could have fixed everything. Oh my gosh.